Camtasia is fantastic for creating videos and screencasts, but there may be times where your e-learning project could be improved by taking advantage of the features available in other e-learning authoring tools. In this video, I'll show you how to get the best of both worlds by using Camtasia videos with two of the most popular e-learning authoring tools, Articulate Storyline and Adobe Captivate. Before you can insert your Camtasia video into a Storyline or a Captivate project, you'll need to publish it without the player. There's no need for the player because you won't be able to use it in Storyline or Captivate, and you can add player control options after they've been inserted. So we'll go ahead and publish this video by going to Produce and Share, and then we'll need to open the drop-down menu and select one of the MP4 only publishing options. You can select the MP4 only 720p option because it's a higher quality than the 480p option. Now you can go ahead and click Next so that you can enter a title for the video and also select the folder that you want it to be published to. Okay, now I can go ahead and click Finish to start the publishing process. And then now that it's done, I can open up the production folder where I'll see my MP4 that I'll be able to embed in Storyline or Captivate. Let's start by going over the process of inserting Camtasia videos into Storyline. Now that your video is published as an MP4, it's easy to insert into an Articulate Storyline slide using the Insert Video option. You'll just need to go to the slide that you want to insert the video on, and then select the Insert tab, and then you'll see the Insert Video option here. For this example, we'll go with a more common method using the MP4 file and then navigating to and selecting the Camtasia MP4 file. Okay, now that the video is inserted into the slide, you have some options here in Storyline to customize its appearance on the Format tab. Because the Camtasia video was published without a player, you may want to select this option to show video controls so that your learners have the ability to pause the video. Another commonly used option on the Format tab is the options to change the size. If you're going to have text or graphics on the slide with the video, you may need to make the video smaller so that you can fit it. Okay, now that we've got the Camtasia video inserted into the slide, you can preview it to make sure it's working correctly and also looks good by selecting the preview option to preview this slide. It looks good and works great. Now that you know how to insert videos into Storyline, let's talk about how to do the same thing in Captivate. So I'll go into my Captivate project. I'm going to add a new slide to the project for my Camtasia video. And when using Captivate, a great option they have that makes it easy to insert video or other types of content on the slide is the Insert Slide From option, which is available from here on the Insert menu. After selecting Insert Slide From, you'll need to choose what type of content layout you'd like. Any of these options that say Content will make it easy for you to add videos or other types of media to your project. For this example, we just want to add a video with a title above it, so we can select the Content Center option. Okay, now that we've got the slide inserted, you can see we have this handy content wheel that has this option to insert a video. So I'll go ahead and click on that, and it'll open the Import Video window. From here we have options to import the video directly from our computer, or you can insert it from a URL just like with Storyline. It can be less space intensive, and sometimes quicker to load if you simply enter the URL, but for this example we'll go with the more common method of importing it from our computer. So we'll choose that option, then click the Browse button, and then we'll navigate to the folder on my computer where I have my Camtasia video saved. Okay, here's the video, so we can go ahead and select that to be imported into the slide, then click OK, and voila, the video is added. From here you can add any text to the slide and make any adjustments necessary to the timeline. Okay, and that sums up the process for using Camtasia videos in combination with two of the most popular e-learning authoring tools, Articulate Storyline and Adobe Captivate. Inserting Camtasia videos into Storyline or Captivate projects is a great way to take advantage of Camtasia's video editing features, along with the great features available in Storyline and Captivate. If you have access to Articulate Storyline or Adobe Captivate, you can practice what you've learned by publishing a Camtasia video, then inserting it into an Articulate Storyline or Captivate project. If you have access to other e-learning authoring tools such as Lectora, you may be able to apply the same principles covered in this video to Lectora as well. In the next video, we'll go over how to embed your videos in web pages or content and learning management systems such as WordPress and Moodle.